Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you about triangle. What geometrical figure you can say as a triangle? A plane figure which is bonded by three line segment is a triangle. Like in the figure you see, it is a triangle because it has three line segments AB, BC and AC. A triangle is denoted by this symbol. This is the symbol to represent a triangle. In this given triangle, what all things it has? First, it has three vertices A, B and C. It has three sides AB, BC and AC. It has three angles, angle A, angle B and angle C. Students, a triangle has 6 parts, 3 sides and 3 angles. And now students, we will see the various kinds of triangle. We will study it under 2 categories: triangles on the basis of measure of sides and triangles on the basis of measure of angles. Now, triangles on the basis of measure of sides. We have 3 different types of triangle on the basis of measure of side. The first is equilateral triangle, the second is isosceles triangle, and the third is scalene triangle. And the triangles on the basis of measure of angles. The first, right angle triangle, the second, acute angle triangle, and the third is the obtuse angle triangle. So we are having 6 different types of triangle. Obviously, they are under the 2 categories: on the basis of measure of sides, on the basis of measure of angles. And now students, in a very brief, I will make you familiar with the various kinds of triangle. On the first, the triangles on the basis of measure of sides. The first triangle is equilateral triangle. All of you must be knowing what kind of triangle is equilateral triangle. Obviously, if a triangle having all the sides equal in length, then it is an equilateral triangle. Obviously, in a equilateral triangle, all the angles are also equal, and the measure of each angle is equal to 60 degrees. Now see in the figure, this is a triangle ABC. ABC. Here AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. And obviously angle A is equal to angle B is equal to angle C. So it is an equilateral triangle. And the second triangle is isosceles triangle. A triangle in which if any 2 sides are equal in length, then it is isosceles triangle. Now see here, it is a triangle ABC, A, B, C. Here AB is equal to AC, that is AB is equal to AC. So what kind of triangle it is? It is isosceles triangle. And obviously the base angles here, angle B is also equal to angle C. And the third triangle in this category is a scalene triangle. A triangle in which all the 3 sides are different in measure is a scalene triangle. Now see, this is a triangle A, B and C. A, B and C. AB is not equal to BC, BC is not equal to AC. AB not equal to BC, BC not equal to AC. So what kind of triangle it is? It is a scalene triangle. And now, triangles on the basis of measure of angles. Right angle triangle, as the name is very clear, right angle means 90 degree. If a triangle is having 190 degree, then it is a right angle triangle. Now see here, it is a triangle ABC. ABC. Here angle B is 90 degree. So this triangle ABC is a right angled triangle. And the second triangle is acute angle triangle. You know a triangle has three angles. If all the three angle measures more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree, then that kind of triangle is acute angled triangle. Now we see here is a triangle A, B and C. Angle A is also greater than 0, less than 90. The same is with B and C. Means all the angles are measuring more than 0 degree but less than 90 degree. So this triangle ABC is an acute angled triangle. Now the third triangle is obtuse angled triangle. A triangle in which one angle is more than 90 but less than 180. Then it is obtuse angled triangle. Now see here, it is a triangle ABC. ABC. Here angle B is greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. So the triangle ABC is obtuse angled triangle. So students, now we have seen what a triangle is and what are the various kinds of triangle. We have seen a geometrical figure which is bounded by three line segment is a triangle. We divided the types of triangle into parts. The first, on the basis of measure of sides and on the basis of measure of angles. And we have seen that on the basis of measure of sides there are three categories: the equilateral, the isosceles and the scalene triangle. And on the basis of measure of angles, three different triangles, that is right angled triangle, acute angled triangle and obtuse angled triangle. I hope student you followed it. That's all. Thank you.